Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable BitLocker for drive encryption. BitLocker is a powerful tool that helps protect your data by encrypting your hard drive, ensuring that unauthorized users cannot access your files. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. First, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel from the search results. In the Control Panel, find and click on System and Security. Then select BitLocker Drive Encryption. You will see a list of all your drives here. Find the drive you want to encrypt and click on Turn on BitLocker next to it. The BitLocker Setup wizard will start here. It will ask you how you want to unlock the drive. You can choose to use a password or a smart card. If you select a password, enter a password that you will remember. Then select Next. You will be prompted to choose how to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a USB flash drive, or print it out. Make sure to keep this recovery key safe, as it will help you regain access to your drive if you forget the password. I'm gonna save it in a folder of my PC. Once you have backed up your recovery key, select how much of your drive you want to encrypt. You can either encrypt the entire drive or just the used space. It's recommended to encrypt the entire drive for maximum security. Then click Next. Now you will choose to encrypt mode. If you are using Windows 10 or later, select the new encryption mode for fixed drives or compatible mode for drives that might be used with older versions of Windows. Click Next. Finally, review your settings and click on Start Encrypting. The encryption process may take some time depending on the size of the drive. Once BitLocker is enabled, you will see a padlock icon next to the drive in File Explorer, indicating that it's encrypted. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.